Are you experiencing low back pain? Maybe you were outside, you picked up on something a little heavy and just strained your low back. I'm going to show you 4 tips you can do to try to reduce your pain and improve your mobility. Something that's really easy to use is a heating pad or a moist hot pack. Put that over the lumbar spine. Leave that somewhere between 20 to 30 minutes as long as your skin's safe to have the heat on there, and perform that several times a day. In a lot of cases, that increases blood flow to the area and helps to relax the muscles. Next is going to be a knee to chest stretch. You can do this in a sitting position. You can do this lying on your back. What you're going to do is take your knee, kind of bring it up towards your chest and hold that for a count of 20 to 30 seconds. You're going to feel that pull in the hamstring complex back here. You're going to feel that in your glute and your low back. Then if you want to progress from there, you can work on kicking out the foot straight, so all the way out straight with the knee, and then you're going to lean down kind of towards your foot and ankle, really stretch that position. Hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. Let's take that a step farther, make it a little more difficult. I'm going to use this stretch strap, but you can use a towel or a sheet. Put that around the ball of the foot and pull back and really stretch the entire backside of the lower leg, the hamstring area, and the back. And hold that somewhere between 20 to 30 seconds and just repeat that throughout the day. Movement that I really like are cat-cows. I think this is a great movement to just start to get the disc moving and the tissue to move. So what you're going to do is go in a chair and you're going to sit just kind of hands in your lap. You're going to work on arching over, kind of rounding your back, your upper back, rounding that around. And then you're going to go back and kind of poke your chest out, bring your shoulders back, really increase that curve in your lumbar spine. And you're going to hunch back over. And you're going to repeat that for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. With that, just go as far as you can. If it's too painful to lean back, then just don't go back as far initially. Just work towards going back more. And if it's too much to lean forwards, just kind of ease into that as well. And that's a nice exercise you can do that's pretty safe just throughout the day. This is a really easy movement to do. It's a standing traction. So what you're going to do is go over to a countertop or back of a chair, and you're going to kind of push down with your arms and lean forwards. I'm keeping my feet flat on the floor. A lot of people try to go up on their toes with this. You don't want to do that. You want to keep your feet flat on the floor, and I'm leaning over and kind of pushing down my arms, and I feel that stretch in my low back, just kind of stretching those deep tissues in the low back. If that's too uncomfortable with your wrist or your elbows, you can take a pillow, put that over the back of the chair or a countertop, maybe the back of a couch, just a stable surface. Lean over the back and do the same thing to really stretch and kind of open up that lumbar spine. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps reduce that initial onset of low back pain and return your mobility. Be sure and hit that follow button so you keep getting all my content. Thanks so much.